meet Joe Eason. And I have a surprise for you. Now you guys know the surprise if you saw my last video. She's a tech trap master. Her name is GearShift. This is so awesome. Now before we do anything, I want to give a
outstanding numbers, as expected.
Let's see, armor critical hit. Yeah, it's just armor critical hit.
Technically speaking, I am awesome.
As you guys know, I didn't play with her yesterday, so she's new.
A true gearhead.
Let's see, what does she need more? She need more armor than critical hit.
I am awesome.
She need more armor than critical hit. No nickname. I did not want to do a pause until I did not want to say a pause. I'm not going to attack until the game.
I am so fired up to be back in the game, Skylander. You miss flying with me, didn't ya? Come on, admit it. Good. Now let's go save this magical, mystical metal place.
All right, let's do this thing.
Move, and boom! Now fasten your safety belt, Skylander. It's about to be an awesome ride.
She had a safety belt, the hoop. That's a trivia hoop. Sorry, got water. So I got water in my mouth. That's why I started like that. She already have a safety belt. That's what I tell you. Cute.
Yeah, flying through a storm like this sure is tough. For any pilot other than the great Captain Quinn. Case in point, those guys. Must be the Mamu Defense Force. I'll tell you what, Skylander. How about you leap on board and check things out?
A Skylander! Thank goodness! Some creepy creatures boarded our ship, locked us up, and steered us right into the storm. Not a real good day for us here. But if you can make your way to the flight deck and regain control of the ship, things will definitely take a turn for the better.
Here you go. I gotta let you guys know. You guys don't look I'm doing this because, like, see, every day I make a video. Every time I make a video, it just gets harder and harder to get the camera the way I want it.
Gulper give you high five if not currently inside trap.
Now go back. Okay, wait. Oh, the next chapter we go to is the Supreme Sewers of Stink. Ever since I saw that level, I always wanted to play with that one. No. Oh, man. I was gonna be the first pro master that ever done this level without dropping one boss into the sky. Oh man, I was really looking forward for that. Well, who cares now? I already dropped one. How did I do this? No, oh. No, I'm not crazy. I'm not going after that box. If that box go out of the sky, then there it is. Are you kidding me? Come on. This is fast.
Remember to tag in Gulper sometimes.
Yeah. She said to give me actually help.
Fear not.
Thank you.
Hooray for Skylander!
Thanks for taking back our ship, Skylander. We owe you one.
There's no big problem. There's really no big there.
Its own reward. Danger, and of course lots of enchiladas attached. Assuming you're back. It'd also be good to get some help saving the film from those terrible dudes.
Of course. Only problem is that we can't land with all those big guns down there.
Oh,
Tell you what, Chris.
shield shredder.
Just leave those big guns down there to the big guns up here.
I was going to get a trap.
Skylander and I'll take them.
When I was at GameStop yesterday, I was going to get a trap master. As soon as I saw a trap master, I knew I could get one of those because, like, the first when I got the game the first day.
Wish they were never born.
Wait a minute. Well, let me talk because, like, when I first got like the game, I didn't see any trap master. I saw traps and regular Skylander, or like one or two mini packs, but no trap master. So as soon as I saw GearShift, I knew I had to get her before. Oh, there's a fire gate. Take down the big guys. Forget about the right shush. Forget about the always take down the big guys. Those guys will be are gonna be your big concern.
Elemental attack ready. Robot rampage. A little more shooting, a little less getting shot. Okay, Skylander? If I could just dust off an old chest.
For the rest of the videos, I'm gonna try. For the rest of the video, I'm gonna try to. I'm just gonna try to use GearShift. I'm gonna try to.
Outstanding! Now we can take back the mill on foot. My soldiers will go along with you and help fight these Evilligan super creeps. Plus, they're pretty handy, which, believe me, will come in handy. Like when it's time to take down this big gate here. Just get them there safely, Skylander.
I will.
If you need reinforcements, hang back a minute, and I'll send more soldiers out.
Can't wait to use her.
Skylander's of the Earth.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. I can't even use her now. Okay, so the next video we'll be doing this. Bye.